What's up, what's up, what's happening, guys? So, this bad boy is not flushing. Holla if you hear me. Nothing happening. You take this bad boy off. What do you got? 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 Hey, this chain. This chain is broken. You see this? So it's the flap or flanger. I think it's called the flapper. And that needs to be replaced. Alright, so turn off the main water line so no water goes back in here. Then you drain this water. Ooh, cold. It's so cold out here. You drain this water, open the flap, drain the water, right? Once the water is drained, it won't fill back up. And then you gotta clean up the edges. Make sure there's no dirt or anything of that sort before you install the new flapper. So, took the flapper out, right? It has hooks. There's a hook here. Just gonna flip it over. One comes out and the other one, same process. Just flip it around. It's the old flapper. So this is my replacement flapper right here. Okay, hopefully this fits. And easy peasy squeezy, lemon squeezy, whatever it is. Alright, so I'm gonna put this end over here, hook this end over here like so. Pretty easy install. Same thing here. And now all I have to do is connect the chain to this lever right here. Right? Keep in mind not to have too much slack. It should be fairly snug. The flapper is installed. Turn on the pipe. The water's refilling it. And look at the chain. Well, you can't see the chain like this, but it's fairly tight. Right? I put the chain in the second rung. So it's filled up with water here. Let's see if it flushes. Oh, no bueno. No bueno. Something's not right. Alright, so I tried to flush it and it didn't work out properly because I guess the chain has too much slack. I thought I did it correctly. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put it on the third rung over here. Right? There's 3 rungs. I'm putting this one over here. Right now it's in the middle one. And hopefully that works. Alright, so problemo. I tried putting in the third rung, it didn't work out. Ultimately, what I have to do now is shorten the chain. So now, how do I shorten the chain without compromising the integrity of the chain? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the head, this head right here, and put it lower in the rung. Maybe skip 3 or 4 chains and put it over here. And then try it again. So I put the head and like somewhere in the middle of the chain. So I skip what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Put in the 5th one, and I'm gonna install it again and see if that works. That eliminates the slack. All right, it's my third try. This is the one where I took the head off and I put it in the 4th chain or 5th chain, so there's less slack on the chain. So hopefully now, when I try to flush, it'll flush smoothly. Let's see. All right, here we go. Let's see if it's working this time. All right, there's water in the bowl. And here we go. Ah, that's a nice sound. That's a beautiful sound. And it works. So there's no more slack. Right, the slack is minimal. Look at the chain, it's fairly tight, right? Chain is fairly tight. And so that kind of works. Thanks for watching, fellas, ladies.